Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both controllers and devices ready. Plug in one if battery is low. Open Asphalt Legends Unite and go straight to split screen. This is where races begin. Once there, add players by pressing the controller buttons shown. Make sure each player signs in. Choose cars and tune loadouts quickly because pre-race choices affect handling and boost. Set race length and performance mode. Doing this now avoids mid-match downtime and keeps gameplay fluid and fair. Now configure controls for each player. You can pick tilt, touch, or button, pick what feels best and test briefly. Once done, decide if you want teams or free-for-all. Team play rewards coordination, while solo races highlight individual skill. Check vehicle tiers and nitro setup so matchups feel fair. Swapping one car can change grip and acceleration. Finally, choose a vertical or horizontal split and verify HUD elements aren't obscured. Because a cramped view costs reaction. You launch the race and use the countdown to prepare. Do a warm-up drift to charge initial nitro and hit boost on the first clear straight. Once racing, read the minimap and time your 1/2 boosts for long straights because smart boost timing beats raw speed. Keep situational awareness, blocking and slipstream matter. If players desync or controls drop, pause and reconnect the problematic controller, or restart the split screen session. Make sure game and controller firmware are current to prevent repeats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.